What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Destiny. Hi, hello. And if you're not new here, well, welcome back. You can follow me on all my socials, which are going to be right here. They're at destiny.rivera, as well as my TikTok. And let's just get right into the video. If you hear any noise in the background, it's my dishwasher. It's on. So I kind of am doing a TikTok at the same time I am doing this. Guys, but oh my god, I haven't even seen what it looks like yet and I'm already obsessed. Like, what? When I tell you, your girl really needed this bag. I do not like purses, but let me tell you, I was easily influenced, and it's just my style, and it's so cute and low-key bougie. Oh my god. How am I doing a TikTok at the same time? It's just, I have no idea. I really don't. Oh my. No words. No words. What? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Okay, but why am I so obsessed with this? Isn't this not the cutest thing ever? I'm gonna open it, and oh my god. It has these little hoopies, and the belt, which I kind of already took off a little bit. So here's the little belt thing. Well, the strap. This material feels so nice. So yeah, I just open it up, and I'm just gonna take out this thing real quick. Yeah, as I just throw shit on the floor. It's a lot bigger than I thought. It also has pockets in here, which I didn't know about. It has like a little zipper pocket right here, and I kind of already got this wallet, but I'm still gonna use it and just put it in there. Another little pocket, and then it has like a Marc Jacobs card. Oh my god, I'm struggling at this. Hopefully it's not too long and you guys are enjoying this. Like, whoever wanted to get a Marc Jacobs bag, I mean, here you go. Like, this is the most cutest thing ever. Well, this is like the Jacquard tote bag. I don't really know exactly what it's called. I'll just insert the name right here. But, oh my god, guys, I'm so obsessed. Like, hello? Who is she? Anyways, let's put the strap on. I don't know what's the right way and what's the wrong way. After struggling, literally struggling to put this on, here she is. She is so beyond cute. Oh my god, did I already push something in backwards? What the hell is going on? I will show you a zoom up pic. Okay, now I finally got my tote bag. This was an early. Literally, my finger is bleeding. It really got a spot on, of course, the green part right there. And if you need a sign to go ahead and get this, this is your sign. This is your sign. She is gorgeous. I have never done a what's in my bag, so this is gonna be new for me. I actually don't even own a purse before this tote bag, because purses aren't really my style and my thing, but this is just casual but still cute and trendy. Even though I don't go for things that are trendy, I just thought it was more on my style. Here is the Marc Jacobs tote bag. As you had just seen, you watched me unbox it, my whole reaction, all of that. You also saw that I got like blood on the strap of the bag. I actually got that out. Thank you to my boyfriend for doing that. It's the Jacquard. I don't really know if I'm saying that right, but that's just like the Jacquard fabric on here, like woven material. It is the small. It's not the mini. I heard the mini is like half the size of this, or like right here. I don't know. Really happy that I went with this size because I needed it for work and school, and I don't want to use it just for a purse. I want it to hold a lot of stuff in here, and this actually holds a lot. It's like a Mary Poppins bag. It's never full. It always can fit more stuff. There's just so much room in here. It has some cute details on the side, if you can see that. I really like this too. And if I want it to be less casual without the whole Marc Jacobs tote bag, I can wear it this way, and it will also be cute. You know this bag will last you a long time, just by the feel. Strap actually reminds me of like a seatbelt. It kind of feels like a seatbelt, but it's a little furrier than a seatbelt, if that makes sense. Inside it, it's pretty big. I have a lot of stuff in there, as I said. What I have inside of it is this pouch. It says stuff. It just has my feminine products for my time of month in here. I got this actually from TJ Maxx. So this is really cute. And then I have gum in here. I did just go to the store and then I just put this stuff in here because they didn't give me a bag. So I have some sour Skittles. And then I have pistachios and more food snacks I have in here in case I'm like hungry if I'm at work or like school. I have this banana oat, if it's gonna focus, banana oat meal soft baked Nature Valley bar. I don't really know what to call that. And then I have a Rice Krispie treat. I have my Tums in here because your girl got acid problems. And then I have ibuprofen because I get pretty bad headaches often, as well as Tylenol. And then I have a charger in here, but not the actual box. So how would that be helpful? I don't know. I have this body spray. I got it from Sephora. It's the Brazilian Crush Pistachio Salted Caramel perfume. And guys, it smells so good. I'm actually gonna recommend getting that, by the way. Always have to have perfume in your bag, as well as gum, I feel like. And I also have these glasses I got from this comic something store at the mall yesterday. And I wanted it for pictures, cute and trendy pictures, when we went to the arcade. And yeah, now we're going on with my pouches because I don't really have that much inside my actual bag. I have this hand cream from Sephora. Always have to have hand cream. Hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, and it smells so beyond good. I actually want to just put some on right now. Okay, I fixed the lighting kind of like for the 20th time today in this video. Now in my little zipper pouch, zipper thingy, I have this cute wallet from Steve Madden. I actually also got this from TJ Maxx. Vaccination cards, I have mine and my boyfriend's because he'll lose it if I don't, have it. And then I got my AirPods. I know I'm gonna get questions. Does your laptop fit in there? The answer is yes. I'm trying to look for it. So I'm using my boyfriend's laptop for this because mine's in the room. It does actually fit in here pretty comfortably. It doesn't even poke out on the top, and it will literally fit all this stuff in here as well. So yeah, all this stuff fits in here. It's not too big or anything like that, so I definitely love that about this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sono. Busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda.